security. Once you have your house, let you go.
We are at Tuzee today. One of the most amazing things we have managed to establish is the camping crew. And we want our people to be able to experience things without paying extravagant amount of money. And on our trip, we give you food, we provide you accommodation, the tent, that's why we call it the camping crew. And then we give you water and souvenirs. So we have our next trip coming up. Please sign up. Because baby, when the camping crew say we're coming, we can come eat.
Hi, I'm S. Isaac Zan. I'm here at Tuzee Waterfalls with tuzeeenafrique. It's been a pleasure being here, and I just want to use this opportunity to encourage many other Liberians to support this initiative. It's not just about vacationing and tours, it's about showing the beauty of nature, especially in Liberia. And most importantly, it's being done by a young, enterprising Liberian. And I would think that it's an opportunity for other Liberians to tap into this, see if we can lend some support one way or the other, and see where that takes us as a country, especially in our tourism endeavor. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Mona Lisa. So I'm having fun on the tuzeeenafrique trip. It's been a hectic 1 month, so I just came to stress-free, and I'm having the time of my life. This is actually fun. Thanks to Tuzee and everyone that organized this trip.
3 hours ahead. Let's go, let's go. Let's go, 3 hours ahead. Let's go.
I came to attend this camp, tuzeeenafrique camping get. So this is gateway to Tuzee. I mean, the experience is actually amazing, especially the hiking this morning, where we have to walk for more than 1 hour to come and see the Mill waterfall. I mean, I had a very good experience, even though after I climbed up the rock, I slept, but I mean, there was no casualty. Many thanks to tuzeeenafrique and the team out here. We are having a jolly good time. I'm actually enjoying myself. I mean, thanks to tuzeeenafrique.
This has been an amazing experience for me. I am painting something that is going to turn out to be one of the best. Take a look at this elegant woman sipping on a glass of red wine. I believe this is me, and this is me manifesting my future.